Hello everybody, in today's video I'm going to show you how to crop a video in Splice. Splice is a super easy to use mobile video editor that lets you create professional video right from your phone. And today we're going to learn how to crop your video so you can focus on the perfect frame and remove any unwanted parts. So let's get started. First, what you can do is launch to your Splice app over here. You can open to an existing project or create a new one, as I'm going to select one existing project here, and make sure your video clips are loaded and visible in the timeline. And over here, tap the clip you want to crop in the timeline. And on the bottom you can find this crop here. Tap on the crop, and over here you can either fill for it or you can also fit it over here. So over here simply pinch the screen, and this is it. Once the crop frame is set, you can play the clip to see how it looks. And this is it. Cropping in Splice is simple and helps you highlight the best part of your video, try it out the different clips, and make your edits look professional in just few taps. Thank you for watching this video. I hope I could help you on how to crop clips in Splice. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and if you have any queries or confusion, please comment down and we will reach out to you very soon.